Hello, I'm Adelpo Martinez, regular participant of Philippines. I asked financial assistance for an amount of 13,900 last March 22, 2016, and that was from my um, donation made last March 17, 2016, in some of the crude Mavro and Karen growth 30% per month. That same day, the MMM for Financial System assigned me Mike Castro as my provider. Thank you, because the same day I received that amount from him. Thank you to all of the participants of MM Philippines and to all of the supporters of this MM community. Together, we can change the world. Mabuhay MMM!